Ever wondered how to transform your digital creation into a steady stream of income? Whether you're a designer, writer, or educator, Payhip offers a seamless platform to sell your digital products and reach a global audience. Imagine earning money while you sleep with your ebooks, courses, and digital art flying off the virtual surfaces. Join me as we dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your Payhip store, creating irresistible products, and implementing marketing strategies that convert. Get ready to unleash your potential and watch your digital empire grow. So all you have to do right now is open your browser and dive into payhip.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see here, we have features. So we have digital downloads, online courses, coaching, membership, physical products. About grow, we have store builder, payments, VAT and taxes, marketing tools, email marketing. We have also teams, customers, pricing, blog, marketplace. About pricing, we have here simple pricing, get started now, not very card, quite sign up for free. So for sure it's free forever. And we have here all features, unlimited products, unlimited revenue. As you can see, if you wanna sign up, is come back here and you write your address, email, as you can see here, or you can log in if you wanna find your account. So as you can see, this is the home page. Here we have dashboard. As you can see, you have here welcome to Payhip. You have taken the first step to sharing your work with the world. Take a few more things off you to the list and keep up the momentum. We have your three step if you want to get started. First step, add your first product, set up checkout, customize store design. The first one is sign up, so it's done. Then add first product, then set up checkout and customize store design. So the top here we have other information. We have your products, as you can see. Then we have here a store, have blog posts, also comments. You have your launch your store builder. Analytics, we have analytics for all products. You can select the one you want if you add your first product and the second one and how much you add. Then we have here DAO, viewers, DAO, daily sales. Then we have here marketing, Kappa, run sell, affiliate, mailing lists, cross-selling, upgrade, and we have here more. Then we have customers, have here subscribers, email updates, sales reports, followers. So that's important information. We have here notifications, account. You can have we have here settings, store builder, federal library, export marketplace, and logout. So all you have to do right now is click over store to done the first step is add product. So all you have to do is click over here, launch your store builder, add first product. Then we have your digital products, so ebooks, software, and other files. Course, we have sell your course, membership, look exclusive content behind the paywall, physical products, so clothes and other physical goods. Have your coaching service, sell your coaching service. Have a bundle multiple products for sale. So for sure we'll select digital product. So all you have to do right now is add new digital product to start selling. Upload your product files, then enter the price, cover image, and description. So first of all, upload product file, choose title for the product, for example product 5, so for example $50, choose price. Then if you want to upload a product image, so all you have to do is dive into canva.com. I have here an account, so all I have to do if you don't have an account is sign up to get started with Canva. So all I have to do right now is click over customize size and click over 90/20. So you can choose the photos of your product. For example, choose sneakers. select the one, you can also modify a lot of various things like title and link. You can write your name and other modification. You can add page, notes, duration, timer, page. As you can see, it's very small. You can add comment, quick actions, also grade view, present full screen, and other things. You can also background color, position also, and finally you share and add in product image. Then you can also write a description. So all I have to do is dive into chatgpt.com. It's very helpful and useful, and write description like that. As you can see, brief description sneakers. So all I have to do is copy and you paste it here. Then you click over visible and you select visible. Everyone can see this product for sure. We select the first one. Then you click over add products, as you can see. Then if you modified your product and you see it, then you click over customize store design. As you can see, you click over customize design and you design your product as you want. This is the third step. The last step is set up checkout. As you can see, here we have various information like payment details, billing invoices, taxes, shipping, advanced settings, login settings, developer, have your PayPal account. Please log in securely with PayPal below to start accepting payments. We can link it with PayPal account or Stripe account. We don't have other options. We have just twice one. Have Stripe account and PayPal account. To get started with Stripe payments, click the button below, accept payments with Stripe, and also you can select the full currency and finally enter statement description and save settings. So you have learned how easy it is to create and sell digital products on Payhip, from setting up your store to marketing your creation effectively. Now it's time to take action and turn your passion into a profitable businesses. With the tools and strategies you have gained, you can confidently navigate the world of digital sales and build a sustainable income stream. So start your journey on Payhip today and watch your dreams of digital success become a reality. Your creative empire awaits. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.